Hey, it's Melissa. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by and welcome to my beauty life. Today's video is going to be a very impromptu unboxing of my Allure Beauty Box. I received it in the mail today and thought I'd share with you what I received. If you're not familiar with Allure, it is a monthly subscription box that is $15, and you get full-size and deluxe size items that total about $50 to $90. So if that's something you're interested in seeing, please keep watching. Okay, so this is the outer box that I received. Previously it would be a box, but over the past month or so they have changed it to a bag. So let's see what it looks like in the box. It's what it looks like on the inside. And every month you get a little booklet that explains all of the items that are inside, how to use them, and a lot of times there is a discount code that comes with it. So this is what the bag looks like, and I love that it has this little nail's head snap, and there are a lot of things in this box. I thought it was just the bag, but there are some more goodies, so let's see what it is. First is by Naturale, and this is what it looks like. It is the Anywhere Cream Multi-Stick, and I don't see a color, in grapefruit. Okay, well, I love most things grapefruit, so let's see what this is. Oh, this is nice. This is the outside packaging, and it's a nice heavy metal packaging, and this is what the stick looks like. And let me do a little swatch of that for you. So I guess that this can be used for cheek and lip, and that's the color. It's really very pretty. I love the packaging, and it looks like it will blend out really well. Let's see what's next in here. All kinds of goodies. This is from Acure Seriously Soothing Blue Tansy Night Oil. So I love most of the Acure products that I've tried. Look how pretty this is, the Blue Tansy Oil. It is 100% vegan, paraben-free, sulfate-free, mineral oil-free, petrolatum-free, silicone-free, and cruelty-free. And it's a concentrated blend of nourishing botanicals to soothe and refresh thirsty skin. This nighttime oil is used in place of a night cream for those seeking deep hydration and balance. So I will definitely give that a try, and if I can save a step at night, I definitely will do so. Okay, next little box in here is the Biossance Squalane Plus Vitamin C Rose Oil to brighten and visibly firm. I can get that in focus a little bit better. Nope, does not like that. Well, you get the idea. Couldn't get that one to focus. And that's what this one looks like. Now, I don't think that I've tried many Biossance products. I don't remember trying any. So this one is directions are massage a few drops onto cleansed face and neck both morning and night. So I will definitely give that one a try as well. I've been wanting to try more vitamin C products and have heard a lot about Squalane, so I definitely will give that one a try. And then let's get into what's in the bag, and I guess that the products are falling out of the bag. That's why they were in the box. So the next thing I see is the Amika Velveteen Dream Smoothing Balm. That's what this looks like, and I currently have a small sample of this. I love it, and I am very happy to have gotten a bigger size. Then there is the Mamonde. I have never heard of this brand. Mamonde Rose Water Toner. And it is soothing and moisturizing for all skin types. And this is another to put on morning and night. So I guess I have to switch them up. I can't use them all in one day. Then this one is the Belif, the True Cream Aqua Balm which I have tried before and I did really like that. So I will put that aside for the time that I run out of the moisturizer that I am currently using. And then this one is the Derma Essentials Microdermabrasion Scrub. And I really like Derma skincare products. That's what it looks like on the inside. And it has a very citrusy scent, which I like. And it's very fine granules for exfoliating, which I love. So I definitely will try this one. So this is a great box of mostly skincare items. And the booklet says, the products in this month's box are a mix of Allure Editor's longtime staples and new discoveries that are quickly earning permanent counter space. I am excited to try everything, and except for the Amika and the Belif, all of the other products, even though I might have tried that brand, are new to me. So I am super excited about March's Allure box. If you received this box, let me know what you thought. If you've used any of these products, let me know down in the comments what you thought about them, if they worked for you. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!